Welcome back to Chachi Tech. Today, I'll show you how to disable and enable the touchscreen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Whether you want to temporarily turn it off for better control or enable it again for convenience, this guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. Disabling the touchscreen. To disable the touchscreen, start by opening the Quick Access menu by pressing a simple keyboard shortcut. From there, select Device Manager. Once the Device Manager window is open, expand the Human Interface Devices section. You'll see an option labeled HID Compliant Touchscreen. Right-click on it and choose to disable the device. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation, so go ahead and confirm. The touchscreen is now turned off, and you can use your PC without worrying about accidental screen taps. Enabling the touchscreen. If you need to re-enable the touchscreen, follow the same process to open Device Manager. Expand the Human Interface Devices section again. Right-click on the HID Compliant Touchscreen option and choose to enable the device. Your touchscreen will be active again, ready for use. Using Command Prompt optional. For those who prefer using Command Prompt, there's an alternative way to access Device Manager. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and enter the command to launch Device Manager. From there, follow the same steps to disable or enable the touchscreen. This method is particularly handy if you're comfortable with command line tools. And that's all there is to it. Disabling or enabling your touchscreen on Windows 10 or 11 is straightforward and quick. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Chachi Tech for more tech tutorials and tips. Got questions or need further help? Leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.